friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making Soba Zushi. Soba Zushi is a traditional Japanese food that is made of soba instead of sushi rice. And it's a good idea to have bite-sized sushi on your holiday party. Let's get started. Here I have my ingredients for Soba Zushi. These are the ingredients I always have in my stock. Next, we are making an omelette. We are making a thin omelette and cut into julienne to use as filling. Traditionally, we make tamagoyaki for soba zushi, but it's easier to make a thin omelette and we can make it with fewer ingredients. Beat egg with a pinch of salt and with a drizzle of sesame oil, cook until done. Take it out onto a cutting board and cut into julienne. Set this aside and let's start assembling. We are going to boil the soba noodles. This one requires me to cook for 3 minutes and a half. Cook your soba noodles according to the package instructions. Drain and wash cooked soba noodles to remove any excess starch. Drain well to remove any excess moisture and then transfer into a bowl. My soba weighs 220 grams after cooking. We need 200 grams, so leave out the rest. Add Mentsuyu and Sushi Vinegar and mix well to coat each noodles until the noodles soak up the sauce. Leave it for 5 minutes or so to season nicely. We need a makisu sushi mat to roll them up. And we need a seed of nori seaweed. Place the shiny side down and the rough side up. Just before assembling, drain the soba to remove any excess sauce. Arrange the soba like this. Pick up a small amount of soba with your fingers and straighten them up on the nori seed. Place them horizontally as much as possible to keep them in a position while rolling it up, and the cut side looks nice. Leave an inch gap to wrap and hold all the ingredients. Place your filling in the center and do not overfill, otherwise it cannot hold in the nori seed. Place them evenly as much as possible. The carrot has been shredded and sauteed with sesame oil and seasoned lightly with salt. Spinach has been blanched. Crab sticks can be substituted with other proteins like chicken or ham, or you can make them plant-based like using tofu or mushrooms. Now let's roll it up. Take your sushi mat with your thumb and index finger and the other 3 fingers hold the ingredients in place and roll it up. Tuck the sushi mat towards you to tighten up the roll. Then roll it through to the end and squeeze it for the last time. And take a look at it. The filling comes in the center, which tells you are doing right. And your soba zushi is done. When you cut the soba zushi, wipe off the knife for each cut to have a nice clean cut. Cut into 8 equal portions. Move your knife back and forth and do not give it too much pressure and cut it through quickly. Serve with gari and mentsuyu to your preference. The texture is so unique. You can enjoy the combination of texture of soba and vegetables and egg. It's the new way of enjoying soba. If you like soba, you are gonna love it. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you soon. Bye!